Second output is we want to give a grade for each students based on their mark. Okay, so based on their mark, we want to give the grade. Okay, see how to give means if a student got more than or equal to 15, you want to give A plus. If the student got less than 15 but more than or equal to 12, then you want to give the grade A. If the student got less than 12 but more than or equal to 10, you want to give B. If a student got less than 10, you want to give F. That is failed. Okay, so this is the grade. Okay, that is we are giving the grade A plus, A, B and F. Okay, so first you want to know the logic of this. Okay, this one, logic of this one. See, the logic is we want to check the mark of the student. Okay, if a student mark is more than or equal to 15, then we want to give A plus. Okay, else, that is if a student did. Okay, so if a student didn't got the mark more than or equal to 15, then you want to check if a student mark is more than or equal to 12. Okay, so if it is true, then give A. Else, that is in case of false condition, you check if a student mark is more than or equal to 10. Okay, so if it is true, then give B. Else, that is in case of false, then you give F. Okay, so this is the logic. Okay, so this logic only we want to apply in the formula. Okay, so how to apply this? How to apply means, see here. See, this is the here we are checking two conditions. See, that is here we are checking condition. Okay, that is if condition. Okay, if a statement is true, then give A, or else check if a statement is true, then give A. Okay, otherwise check like this. Okay, so we are using if statement. Okay, so for this the formula is you want to give if, but okay, see we want to give only if. Okay, that is nested if. Okay, see we want to give nested if. See a nested if. Okay, because why means we want to cover multiple condition. Okay, so okay, for multiple condition, logical operation, you want to use nested if. Okay, so, okay, how to use means, see here. Okay, the first thing is if. Okay, you take if. Okay, first condition is, see here, the first condition is you want to check whether the student mark is greater than 15. Okay, so you give here. So and this column is mark column. Okay, so you press this one. So if it is greater than or equal to 15, okay, then give A plus. Okay, syntax is this one. A plus. Okay. Okay, so if the student mark is mark, C sum is mark. Okay, so if student mark is greater than 15, okay, then you want to give A plus. Okay, so okay, so if he is less than 15, okay, then you want to check the condition, other condition, that is, see here. Okay, so in case of false condition, you want to check if the student mark is more than or equal to 12, that is mark is between 12 to 15. Okay, so for this one you want to type if. Okay, again you type if. Okay, if student mark is greater than or equal to 12. Okay, so if it is true, then you do A. See here, actually we want to check this condition, that is 12 to 15. Okay, so okay, but here we are giving only 12. Okay, not 15. Okay, because see here we already gave 15 equal to. Okay, so this condition will check only 12 to 15. Okay, not above 15. Okay, so this condition will check only 12 to 15. Okay, because here we already gave 15. Okay, so this is true statement. Okay, A, and in case of false, you want to check if, okay, if the mark is okay. Second one is you want to check this condition. Okay, so greater than or equal to 10. So for this we give a mark. Mark is more than or equal to 10. Then you give B. Okay. Okay. And in case of false condition, you give F. Okay, that is fail. Okay. See here. In case of false condition, you want to give F. Okay. So here I am giving F. Okay. And then you close the bracket. See here in the starting we are having 3 bracket. Okay, 3 bracket. Okay, 1, 2 and 3 bracket. Okay, so in the ending also you want to give 3 bracket. So 2, 3. Okay, so okay, again I am saying if a student mark is more than 15, more than or equal to 15, then you give, okay, then you give A plus. Okay, so if the student mark is 12 to 15, okay, then you give A. Else if student mark is 10 to 12, then you give B. Okay, otherwise you give F. Okay, so this is just nested if statement. Okay, so then you enter. Okay, so here it is A because the mark is 12 to 15. Okay, so, okay, so you want to apply this mark to all the student. So okay, for this you just drag this column. Okay, so if you drag this column, you will get, okay, see here in 6 you can fail F because a student is below 10. Okay, here you can see B because the mark is 10. Okay, so B, here you can see A plus because the mark is 15. Okay, so this is the way of giving the condition. Okay, by using if statement, by using if formula. Okay.